Still making boring menus? Let me fix it. In this video, I'll teach you how to make scene transition, over and press sound, and simple particles. So let's start out. We're heading to make smooth scene transition. First, I'm gonna make a new scene, and then add a canvas layer, canvas, rename it to transition, and after it, I'm gonna add color reds. You can rename it to BG or background. Gonna make it in full size. Recolor it, I'm gonna make it black. So to color it, it will be the background of the transition. We're gonna add animation blur. Animation blur. You can rename it and save it. So the animation blur, we can use it to animate our background to fade in and out. So first we can new animation, we fade. We can make a new one, reset. So fade we can make it 1 second or half a second. So I want it to be quick, so I'm gonna make it half second. Make sure before you make an animation, you'll go to mouse, make it ignore, so there's no issue. You'll go to the first, make it visible, and then here at the end we'll make it fade, so there's like a fade animation, as you can see. So I'm gonna make a script here, open, create. You don't want this, so you will just delete it. So we're gonna make a function. We'll make it change scene, then target. So we're gonna make an animation layer, we'll play fade, the animation we made, and then hit tree to change scene to file, and then target, and then animation layer, play backward so it fades out, fade. So the last thing, we're gonna go to the project settings, globals or auto loads, and the TSCN, the scene. You're gonna make it auto load, so you can use it in other scenes. So I want to make like fade in and out in this here. So you are going to the press signal, transition, change scene, and then the scene you want. So I'm gonna change it to the settings, and as you can see, if I run the game and go to play, to make a smooth transition. Now we're going to make the hover sound, the press sound. Those. So to make it, we're going to the script to make, and then the button when you want to make the hover sound on, go through the mouse enter, the signal. So I'm gonna change the mouse enter to hover sound I have. We're going to play, that's all with hover sound, but in the play sound, the play pressed, get the press sound, the play, and to make like a delay with transition, wait, press to finished. So make sure it's finished to change the scene. So if I play it, this is the sound, and when I press, there's sound. Last thing, I'm gonna teach you how to make these particles. As you can see, the particles. So to make it, it's easy. So I'm gonna add GPU particle 2D, and then I'll go to the expector. You can make the amount 200 or whatever you want. Process material will be empty, so I'll press here, and then new material. So I'm going to press on it. There's so much, don't worry. So basically, we want it to be bigger. So the spawn, and then the position. You can make it like box. We can make the box bigger. You can see it. So I can make it like 500, 500, So you're basically done, but there's so much to do. If you want, you can change the velocity, and if you want a whole video in it, type in the comments. So that's all with the first code. You can see it's all better.